Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What about
Excellent.
you?
Good, good. What is your name?
My name is Saber, and you?
My name is Ryan. Where are you calling from?
I'm from Bangladesh, and you?
Bangladesh. I'm from Australia.
Uh, wow, nice country. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yes, I've been there.
Uh,
I've been to Dhaka and Sylhet. Which
wow.
city?
So you have been come in Bangladesh, Dhaka and Sylhet.
Just once. Which
Uh,
city do
which
you?
which year are you come in Bangladesh?
2000, 2014. So six years ago. Which
Yeah.
city do you live in?
I live in at Mirpur in Dhaka.
In Dhaka. Why are
Yeah.
you learning English?
Uh, Actually, in this year, Bangladesh, our native language is Bengali.
Yep.
So Bengali is our Bangladeshi language, first language. So in this year, second language is English. So I think English is an international language. If I if I develop my English skill, then I think I get a lot of source where uh, I doing something good.
Yes, I think with English you can use it to talk with anybody in the world. So if you wanted to talk to somebody in Germany, you do not need to know German. You can use English. Same with France. The same with New Zealand is English. Even Mexico. You don't need to know Spanish to talk to someone from Mexico as long as they know how to speak English. So it's good. And also, if you go for a job interview and you have English as a skill, then you're more likely to get the job over them. So what do you do for a job? What is your work?
Uh, I'm a student. I'm a student. I study at Institute of Health Technology. My department is physiotherapy.
Ah, physiotherapy.
Yeah, yeah.
How long have you been studying this?
That's good. So, what's your profession?
Um, I've been living in Mexico for 1 year, and I've been teaching at a high school, teaching English. But because of coronavirus, I am going back to Australia in 2 weeks. And my job in Australia is firefighter. So I will go back to Australia and continue with my job as a firefighter. What do
Well,
you
that's a really good. Uh,
Thank you. What do you want to do after you finish study?
Actually, now I am a diploma second year student.
Uh-huh.
Then I want to complete BHC in physiotherapy
Uh-huh.
uh, for my country or any foreign country, like Canada
Mm-hmm.
or America or Australia.
Okay, good.
Then I come back our country. Then I come back our country and established any physiotherapy uh, chamber.
Okay.
Serve, then I serve the patient my uh, my job.
I have a friend that I'm living with here at the moment. He's a physical therapist. Here in
Yeah.
I'm in America right now, um, and he's been working as a physical therapist, and he has many patients. Do you hope to do this as well in physical therapy?
No, I'm just a running student.
Right. Okay. So
Yeah.
do you live with your parents, wife?
Yeah, yeah. No, no, I am not married, but I live with my family. Uh,
And do you have any
my
brothers
my
and sisters?
parent, my yeah, yeah. We have two brothers and one sister.
Okay. Are
Uh,
you the
now,
youngest?
it- yeah, I am a middle child of my family.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay. And what do your
yeah,
brothers and sisters do? Are they working or are they studying?
yeah. My brother is a businessman,
Hmm.
and my sister is also a student.
Okay.
She's study in honors first year.
Ah. And your
Yeah.
parents, are they working?
Um, my father was a teacher, but now he is not do anything because after a long time he has been suffering a illness.
Okay. How is the coronavirus in Bangladesh? Is it really bad?
Little bit bad, but not very bad. But in this year, every day, every day, every day, something 20 or 25 uh, people are died,
Dying?
die,
Hmm.
yeah, and uh, 1,000 or 1,050 peoples are
By
affected to coronavirus
do you have to
per
wear
day.
the face mask when you go outside?
Yeah, yeah, of course. Why not?
Yes.
Why
Well,
not?
in Australia, they don't have to wear it because the coronavirus is pretty much finished in Australia. There are some cases, but most places people aren't wearing it. Um, hopefully, we get the vaccine very soon. Will you receive the vaccine when it becomes available?
Yeah, actually, our government discussing with others
Right.
countries for coming any vaccine,
Yeah, I read that.
and try, try to best for uh, getting any vaccine.
Right. I did read that in India, the coronavirus is really bad at the moment.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hopefully the
Yeah, our country also contact with India for a vaccine.
right. Well, hopefully everyone in the
And
world receives it soon, and we can all get back to normal and everyone be healthy. But our time is almost up, so I want to thank you for today, and I'll see you next time.
okay, thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.